snow on your roof and your hood. Clean it off! Yeah, look at those big chunks of snow covering your back windshield and stuff. You don't have a brush so you can brush all that stuff off? Oh, look, now he's doing it.
Things like
that's all you're gonna do? You still got shit on your roof that's gonna fall off. Wow, look at all the snow covering your rear windshield. Why don't you be like that last guy and just scrape it off in the middle of the street? I still can't get over that one.
Steakhouse, where they get all these.
I don't even remember the last time it snowed and you got shit all over your car.
You have to simulate the environment.
I don't get it. Yeah, that Chevy Avalanche has a lot of snow on it. Ah, look at that Honda. That's pretty bad. I hope you're pulling over to clear all that snow off your hood. And you should pull over too. Girl, can't you see? The car is not so clean. Dude, it snowed on Christmas Eve. I was like 3 days ago. You haven't had the time to clean the snow off your car yet? Come on. That's just freaking lazy.
You wrote back and you called back. And let's be super clear. You could have had that conversation.
Subaru driver.
And super devoted, sort of an obnoxiously so guy. But
Oh, we got a blizzard up there.
fell in love.
Blizzard.
Very Seattle of you. Very.
Oh, we got another blizzard up there. Blizzard from a tow truck. I mean, do you have to blow all the snow? Clean the snow off before you load up the truck. I mean, come on. How hard is that?
Is he has a tremendous amount of exuberance. And an optimistic approach and exuberance is a big part of health.
Oh, look at that guy.
And, I mean, are you saying... But
He has no exuberance cleaning snow off his car.
It's you kind of figuring out how you feel about it. And to Dan's point, yeah, I think Dan's absolutely right. Like, you don't need...
So we got a Nissan driver and a Chevrolet Silverado driver that can't reach the roof either. Oh, look at all the snow blowing off. I can even see it from here.
I just
Oh my
imagine
goodness. Seriously.
These guys fucking. You would've just
Really?
been like, nah, dude,
It's not fun. And snowbound.
That Chevy is covered in snow.
Man, it's just, I didn't mean to do that. And this is where, like, you can get
Volvo. They're safe, but not safe when they're covered with snow. Really? They kind of made an effort there. Never mind. And look at that GMC. And the snow's blowing off. Oh my God, look at that. You didn't even attempt to clear anything off.